Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like up. Kevin Owens was involved in an in-ring segment with Sami Zayn on the latest episode of WWE Raw. He explained to his longtime friend why he wouldn't turn on him like he did to Cody Rhodes. The former Universal Champion confronted Sami Zayn after the latter announced that he would enter the Royal Rumble match. The Raw star asked KO how this would go down, as the whole world saw what he did to the American Nightmare after he teamed with Roman Reigns. Kevin Owens said he knew Sami and Roman had a lot of history, just like they do. He mentioned that he's done a lot of things in the past that Zayn overlooked, and the latter forgave him just like he forgave the OTC because he's a good person. Kevin Owens believed Sami Zayn could win the Royal Rumble match. He told Sami, whom he's known for 2 decades, that he would win the Rumble because he deserved it, and they could accomplish one more thing together. KO mentioned that they have never faced each other in a singles match for the WWE Championship in the main event of WrestleMania. He said that when they both win their matches at the upcoming PLE, that can finally happen. It seemed like Owens was trying to gaslight Sami into helping him with the title at Royal Rumble. Kevin Owens, one of the most complex and compelling characters in WWE history, has never shied away from shocking the world. Whether it's betraying his best friends or delivering stunning promos, Owens has a knack for keeping fans on the edge of their seats. Recently, however, Owens made headlines for a candid explanation about his loyalty to Sami Zayn, despite the latter's controversial alliance with Roman Reigns, something Owens had previously used as justification for turning on Cody Rhodes. This revelation has sparked widespread discussion among fans, with many wondering why Owens would draw such a distinction between Zayn and Rhodes when it comes to siding with WWE's most dominant villain, Roman Reigns. Let's dive into Kevin Owens' reasoning, his past betrayals, and what this could mean for his relationships, both personal and professional, moving forward. To understand Kevin Owens' perspective, we need to look at the history between him, Sami Zayn, and Cody Rhodes. Earlier in the year, Kevin Owens shocked fans by turning on Cody Rhodes during a critical moment in their feud with the Bloodline. Owens justified his actions by claiming that Rhodes had lost focus and was more interested in playing the hero than dealing with the real threat posed by Roman Reigns. Owens felt that Cody's attempts to align himself with the Bloodline, even in moments of necessity, showed a lack of loyalty and commitment to their shared goals. The betrayal was brutal, and Owens did not hold back in his scathing critique of Rhodes. Cody wanted to be the face of the company, Owens said at the time. He didn't want to take down the Bloodline, he wanted to replace them. Now, the spotlight has shifted to Sami Zayn, Owens' lifelong friend and on-again, off-again ally. In recent weeks, Sami has been seen cooperating with Roman Reigns and the Bloodline, albeit under unusual circumstances. Zayn's reasons for teaming with Reigns seem to stem from a place of strategy rather than loyalty, as he aims to dismantle the Bloodline from within. Owens, surprisingly, has refrained from criticizing Sami for this alliance, a stark contrast to his reaction to Cody Rhodes. Speaking during a backstage interview on the latest episode of SmackDown Lowdown, Kevin Owens addressed the elephant in the room: why he hasn't turned on Sami Zayn despite his partnership with Roman Reigns. Owens' response was both emotional and revealing. "Sami and I go back further than almost anyone in this business," Owens began. "We've fought each other, we've fought side by side, and we've been through wars that most people can't even imagine. So when I see Sami doing something that doesn't make sense to everyone else, I don't jump to conclusions. I know Sami. I know his heart. I know that whatever he's doing with Roman, there's a reason for it." Owens made it clear that his bond with Zayn transcends the typical alliances seen in WWE. Their relationship is rooted in mutual respect and an understanding of each other's motivations, even when those motivations seem questionable on the surface. According to Owens, the key difference between Sami Zayn and Cody Rhodes lies in their intentions. Cody wasn't trying to destroy the bloodline, Owens explained. Cody was trying to build himself up, and he used me and others as stepping stones to do it. Sami's not like that. He's not working with Roman for personal gain. He's doing it to protect the people he cares about and to take Roman down from the inside. Owens emphasized that Zayn's alliance with the bloodline is strategic, not selfish. Unlike Cody, who Owens felt was using their partnership as a means to an end, Sami's actions are rooted in a larger plan to dismantle Roman Reigns' empire. In a rare moment of self-reflection, Owens admitted that his reaction to Sami's situation is partly due to his own growth as a person and a performer. "I've done a lot of terrible things in this business," he said. "I've stabbed people in the back, I've let my ego get in the way, and I've hurt people I care about. Maybe it's taken me this long to realize that not everything has to be about betrayal and revenge. Sometimes you have to trust the people who've been with you through it all." Owens acknowledged that his past actions have often been driven by insecurity and mistrust, but he's determined to approach his relationship with Sami differently. As always, the WWE Universe has been quick to weigh in on Kevin Owens' comments. Here's a sampling of fan reactions on social media. "Kyo and Sami's friendship is untouchable. I love how Owens has matured as a character and as a person. This is why Kevin Owens is one of the best storytellers in WWE. His loyalty to Sami feels so real." The Cody and Sami situations are totally different. Cody was all about himself, but Sami's playing the long game. "I'm so invested in this bloodline saga. Owens and Zayn have added so much depth to it." The general consensus among fans is that Owens' loyalty to Zayn adds a layer of emotional complexity to the ongoing bloodline storyline. Many believe that this dynamic will ultimately play a pivotal role in bringing down Roman Reigns. With tensions rising and alliances shifting, it's only a matter of time before Kevin Owens, Sami Zayn, and Roman Reigns collide in dramatic fashion. Here are some possible scenarios. If Sami's plan to dismantle the bloodline from within is exposed, he'll need someone to watch his back, and who better than Kevin Owens? The two could reunite as a dominant tag team to take on Roman Reigns, Solo Sikoa, and the Usos. While Owens has pledged his loyalty to Sami for now, WWE is known for its unpredictable storytelling. If Zayn's alliance with Roman drags on too long, it could test Owens' patience and lead to yet another betrayal between the two. Cody Rhodes isn't one to let grudges go. If he returns to WWE and sees Owens backing Sami Zayn, despite his alliance with Roman, it could reignite tensions between Owens and Rhodes, setting the stage for a heated rivalry. Kevin Owens' explanation for his loyalty to Sami Zayn highlights the depth of their friendship and the evolution of his character. By choosing to trust Sami despite his controversial alliance with Roman Reigns, Owens has shown a side of himself that fans haven't seen before, a side rooted in faith, patience, and growth. As the Bloodline saga continues to unfold, Owens and Zayn's dynamic will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping its outcome. Whether they stand united or find themselves at odds once again, one thing is certain: Kevin Owens and Sami Zayn are writing one of the most compelling chapters in WWE history.